Are you sure your package is really safe and sound? Without any protection? See? Your packages can be taken, just like that.
Oh my God, where did it go?
And that's where this baby drops in. Introducing Eufy Security Smart Drop, a brand new way to protect your packages and purchases. With a 1080p 160-degree wide-angle lens, night vision, and motion detection, it automatically records anyone who tries to take your packages away. When it's empty, it's unlocked, so your delivery man can open it right away. And when it's not, your delivery man can enter a code to open it.
Ah, the code is right here.
When you get a new package, SmartDrop will send you a notification, so you can unlock SmartDrop remotely via the app. Watch the recorded footages wherever you are, and use the two-way audio feature to talk or listen to your messages.
Hey Stella, hope you like what I got for you.
Not again!
Eufy Security Smart Drop also works with Alexa and Google Assistant. And it's built to last. You want proof? I'll show you. Check out Eufy Security Smart Drop on Kickstarter now.